Hi, I'm Tamoji, and I'm an empowerment specialist. My passion is teaching people to tap into their gifts, strengths, and talents. I want everyone to live their best life. I want to see them flourish in whatever it is that they choose to do. And most importantly, I want them to be real. I want them to be real with themselves. And I think that that's my passion. My passion is teaching people to love themselves just the way they are. I discovered my passion by accident, really. Well, let me not call it an accident. I was living my life authentically. And so, because I've always loved myself, because I always invested in myself, people noticed that and said, I want to do what you do. And I was able to figure out how to teach other people to do what I did, how to invest in themselves, what they needed to do so that they could achieve growth and change in their life. So my passion came about, I discovered it by living an authentic life myself.